So I'm getting ready to unpack all these boxes. I have my helpers. Hi, helper. Hi. She's got a fly bugging her. Anyways, I'm going to unpack all these boxes for my paper party. I've got my YouTube channel going here. I love this lady, J. Morrell Stewart. She is Large Family Table on YouTube, and there's something about her that's very relaxing. I have major to-do lists happening of things that have to get done, and I am super behind because my dad and stepmom came to visit, which was lovely to have them visit, but it does, you know, create a challenge for work. So anyway, Miss Deborah came while they were here and got a bunch of stuff cut and prepped for the paper party. I still have 5 more cards to design, so that's 4 of them. I still have to design 5 more cards. This is like kind of what I give to Miss Deborah. She gets a checklist of things that need to be done. And yeah, so that's a card that needs to get videoed. All of these cards still have to be videotaped for the paper party. There's a lot that's got to be done. So I've got paper party in here, Holiday Stamp-A-Stack in here, and club stuff. So I'm just going to start unpacking these boxes, and then I'll check back in with you. Quit whining. Truvy's whining because she wants in Buddy's spot. And look at her nose. Look at your nose. It's dirty. We don't need your help, Skeeter. So that means she's been digging somewhere, which is going to cause drama. Okay, so let me show you everything I have going on. I have all of these goodie bags to get out in the mail to my team members because I had a little challenge. 36 of them completed it. I still need to mail them. The challenge was in June. Yes, I'm behind. They love me though, and they're patient. So, and I keep them up to date. I communicate. So they'll get these. They're coming. This is for my Holiday Stamp-A-Stack. As of the time I'm recording this video, there's still room available to sign up. This is for August Club. Every single person in August Club gets this stamp set unless they already have it, in which case they can substitute. All they have to do is tell me. So this is for Club. This is for Paper Party. Over here, Paper Party. So all of these papers have to be cut into 6x6 packs like this right here, and then they get repackaged into a cellophane bag and labeled, and the label has the colors that coordinate so that they know when they're using it what colors will go nice. These papers have to just be separated, so each of these will be opened up, they'll be separated and quartered so that each person gets a quarter of a pack. Over here we have prep area for me continuing to make paper party cards and get those prepped. And then these are all the empty boxes. A couple of them I broke down, but I kept these ones whole because these actually are really nice boxes, and I'm going to use them to transport all of my kits that I just talked about. Once I get them completed and ready to ship, then I will need boxes to hold all of them in. So I'm going to put these in my shed and hold on to them, and when it's time I will be able to fill these boxes and ship stuff out. I've got these two always playing underfoot, and I've got a couple of flies in here because it's that time of year and they're looking for the flies. They can hear them buzzing. I have these little hand lotions that I'm going to be including as a gift in one of my kits. And yeah, that's what's happening in the craft room today. I'm just going to start working on cutting all those papers. I also have to finish my PDF for my paper party, my cards. This is all listed for tomorrow, Saturday. I'm filming this on Friday the 6th. You're not going to see it that day, but that's when I'm filming it. I also have stuff in the house that has to get done. Laundry, dishes, packing peppers. We have a friend who has lots of peppers, and we can them so we can have them throughout the year. My husband loves them. I need to go to the bank, catch up on my email. And I really want to get these mailed out today with a note, because it's one of those things that's just kind of like giving me anxiety because it's looming over my head and I know it needs to be taken care of. So I'm hoping to get this finished and shipped today. It's just very time consuming to print a bunch of labels. And I know that sounds weird probably, but it's true. Like, to sit down and write and to type up stuff and then print a bunch of labels is just time consuming. And so, but it's got to be done. So I'll probably flick on something on YouTube, finish watching my girl J Morel, and yeah. And then all of these stamp sets came in. These are all holiday stamp sets here, and I cannot wait to sit and play with. Oh my gosh, like this one, so cute. So I know I'm going to get questions about my paper party and if you can sign up, because every single time I do a video like this, that's what I get. Unfortunately, this paper party is closed. No more signups. However, if you get on my email list, there's always a link below my video for my email list. I send out emails about my paper parties, and I do 3 a year. So there'll be another one that will happen in like January, February. So get on the email list now, and in December-ish, you'll probably start hearing about the next paper party. So this one's a wrap. I just have to get it prepped, cut, shipped, and then we have our live event in August, and that's that. And the puppy is officially... Oh, what do you want to tell the people? Do you want to tell the people something? Buddy is not amused. Skeeter has nothing to say. Say bye, people. Okay, so this is part of the, I better pause that. This is part of the paper party stuff going down here. We're packing kits, labeling them, packing the paper, labeling them. And honestly, this is probably the last part of the video that you're going to see, because we're a little stressed out, aren't we, Miss Deborah?
Yeah, I'm drinking already.
She's actually got vodka in that glass. Yeah, so this is the long list of stuff that Miss Deborah mostly cut. And now it's all like getting sorted and packed, and this paper still has to get cut. Yeah, I'll probably be working on this for the next 3-4 days solid. So I'm wrapping this video up because honestly, like, I can't keep remembering to film. That's the truth, people. So So I hope you enjoyed seeing some behind the scenes, and I will try to get another video when we are starting to work on Club and Fall Stamp-A-Stack. Club, this is one of the Club projects I did on a YouTube live. It's so stinking cute. So that's coming up next week probably.